guys have saw me wear this type of wig, this type of unit so many times. I love to get my bob wigs from Myfirstwig. This is like my signature look now. This cute little effortless bob wig. I kind of want to just be chill, but I want to look pulled together. Myfirstwig is a unit that you don't have to pluck. You don't have to think too much of it. I don't do anything with the lace. I leave it the way. I haven't plucked it. I haven't did anything. But let me show y'all. The part is so long and it's so nice, but a side part will look beautiful as well. It's just everything. We don't want any makeup right here. We're gonna lay it as thin as possible. It makes it last a lot longer, so we're gonna do that. I just went and did a little bit of baby hair here. It was super easy to put on. Like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks as a side part because I always wear it pushed back. And this is like a Yaki texture. It's really cute and classy. This is cute.